In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front door weather strip on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this panel right here. Just get under here with a trim tool. Just pop it up. Just like that. And this piece right here gets stuck underneath the weather strip. We're just going to grab the weather strip, pull it back a little bit. And you can grab the panel. Just slide it back. It comes right out. Just grab the weather strip. I'll just peel this off. And just pull it straight down and out. And there's a little piece of trim right there. We're just going to leave that there. Just peel it up a little bit just to get it out of the way, but you don't have to take it off. There's the old one. I'm going to take the new weather strip and we're going to put it right around where the other one was cut, right around there. Just line this up. Get under that trim piece. Just feed it in the same way it came out. Just push it on. If you have to, you can use rubber mallet. Just gently tap it in. When we get to the end, we can see we have a little bit extra material. That's okay. We're just going to trim it with a utility knife. Just get as close as possible. Make sure it's all the way pushed in at this point. But we're going to cut ours right here. Just be careful. It should just break off. There we go. And if you have to, you can just use a razor or a side cutters and trim that a little bit extra. Make sure that lines up. And that looks good. I'm going to take this panel. Before we slide it in, we're just going to pull the weather strip up right here. Pull that aside. Get these pins lined up. Push that in there. Then you can push the weather strip back in. Looks good. Lock it down in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.